Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a super useful feature on Instagram that a lot of us might not be using to its full potential: searching messages. Yes, you heard that right. No more scrolling endlessly to find that one message. Stick around because I'm about to show you how to master this feature in just a few steps. First things first, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Instagram rolls out updates frequently, and you'll want the latest version to access all the newest features, including the enhanced search functionality in Messages. Step 1: open your Instagram app and tap on the messenger icon on the top right corner. This will take you to direct messages. Once you're in Messages, you'll see a search bar at the top. Tap on it. Start typing the name of the person whose messages you want to search through. Instagram will quickly filter your conversations to show you the ones involving the contact. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to searching messages on Instagram like a pro. No more frustration over lost messages or important information buried deep.